Did you know a construction worker became a national hero in 20 seconds? Wesley Autry was waiting for the subway with his two young daughters when a stranger collapsed onto the tracks. A train was coming, fast. He could have stayed safe, protected his girls. No one would blame him. Instead, he jumped down and covered the man with his body as the train roared overhead. Both survived. The media called him the subway hero. Presidents honored him. His daughters got college scholarships. One leap of faith changed everything, not just for the stranger he saved, but for his entire family's future.